Okay, so we're going to be taking a look at a game that is still very early in development. Whether you want to call this a demo, a playtest, an early access look, a peek, a sneak peek, yeah, I'll leave that up to you. It is called Sonar Mining Co., or, well, company. From what I have seen of it, it's kind of somewhere... Don't know why it needs internet access. No, I don't think we'll be doing that, thank you. It is kind of somewhere between, like, Barotrauma or really more of... Iron Lung, but with actual gameplay and upgrades, and there seems to be, like, a little bit of a... It crashed. That's good. I'm gonna try again. If this doesn't work, there is a web browser version. Yeah, that's just outright crashing. It's good. Okay. Well, that's a good sign of things to come. Alright. Yeah, that's just an immediate crash. I can't, like, it's crashing so quickly, I can't even get the error code that it's showing. So, that's good. I like how we can get into the main menu completely fine, and then it crashes. So, you know, that's good, as you do. Alrighty. So, like I said, I have a backup. We'll go on the webpage version. So the version I'm using is 0.21, and that was updated 3 days ago. I do not know if the... Oh dearie me. Oh no. Well, that's not good. 1 second, let me see if... Uh-oh. Oh. Okay, so I think the web browser version is older. It seems to be slightly out of date. It looks like it's older. Okay. So it's working in a capacity now. I had to change browser entirely, so that's always good. This is a very good start, you know, and... Okay. Okay, we might be in business. Alright. Okay, there we go. That only took about 5 minutes. Congratulations on your promotion to Submarine Operator Worker _0. You've been designated a mining submarine equipped with a mining laser. Your job: mine ores with the laser. Reinvest your ores into upgrades to dig faster and deeper. You are expected to meet a quota of treasures for the company to improve its submarines. Collect them from the derelict submarines that you find along the way. You may notice them by their active rescue buoy. Reach the final depth of your assigned ocean to complete your deployment. Company support will not be given. Good luck and efficient work. Redacted, CEO of the Sonar Mining Company. So yeah, very Iron Lung in the fact that this seems to kind of be very similar in the regards of it being a bit of a punishment type of deal. It's running kind of poorly, but that's kind of expected from a... Oh, there's like a point and click. Or just playing a browser game now, basically, or, you know, like Myst and Exile and whatnot. I can't turn again. Alright, so I guess we're just kinda... Alright. don't know how loud this is right now. Let me check. Alright, that's about as loud as I can actually make it right now. Oops. Well. I don't normally use Google Chrome. Not too keen on it, really. Oh, that's gonna be annoying if I ever need to actually mouse up. There's a closed thing that pops up here. Alright, let's see. Hull upgrade. I don't know what that was. Engine upgrade. And I start up. Oh, okay. We actually are moving freely. I thought we were going to be moving in kind of like a orthogonal direction. Wait, what? So what happened? I couldn't get it to go back to the other thing. That's good. That's a good start. Weren't we next to the ore, though? There looked like there was ore there. No, really, let me... Oh god. Oh god, everything's going wrong! Yeah, this is why I don't like trying to do this stuff on browser, because hitting escape, if you... like, if there's normally a menu bound to escape, then... Okay, we're against it. What does this red button do? It does not get you the other menu back. I need to mine. It will not let me mine the ores. Oh. That still doesn't answer the question, then. Okay. So this is kind of annoying. Oh, we still have the 3... So it's a roguelike through and through. Like, you just get barely anything and then just die. And... Speaking of dying... So okay, so that menu is only as you start up a new run, it seems. I was not sure what this was doing, but apparently it is in fact a button for the mining drill. A little bit of a Mike Klubnica vibe to it, really. Actually, wait, hold on. Was Klubnica the one that did Iron Lung? I don't think he is. Oh no, maybe he is. I don't really remember. Engine upgrade, hull upgrade, or a laser upgrade is only 2. It's 5. 5, 5. Okay. Oh, good. I might be a little screwed here. I might be trapped in a... Yeah, that's bad. I can't squeeze through that. Okay, well, that's... that's just lovely, isn't it? You actually are unable to progress right now because you just get spawned right in the middle of a... Yeah, no, just actually cannot progress. That's nice. So yeah, maybe the level design should take into account, you know, instances where you're going to be able to, you know, get trapped like that. Hopefully there's a radar upgrade as well to increase the range at which, well, not the range, but the speed. You know, kind of like how Barotrauma, I think it was. Was it Barotrauma? I'm fairly certain Barotrauma let you lock the sonar in one direction. Maybe it's something I should be careful on wanting, but it really does also kind of feel like there should be environmental hazards, some stuff falling from the roof every so often, or even like a giant shark or eel that occasionally brushes up against you. So we're on our 8th character, or 8th dude, but the thing is, you know, that the first couple ones was just me being completely confused. Oh god, that's 40. That feels like a bit of a waste. Oh, that's cool. I like how the whole, you know, like the light shifts with what you're doing. I like that. That's very immersive. And I hope there's a little bit more in the cockpit of this sub to actually, you know, add to the immersion. Oh, you lose the ability to look left and right once you're actually deployed? So yeah. Rather obviously, like I was saying, even on just the map terrain generation needs to actually have a failsafe. Because yeah, this is just... That's not fun. That's not cool, man. Hey, would you like to play the game? Why, yes. Yes, I would. Well, too bad. You get to be in prison. Oh, lovely. Oh yeah, now I see. It's actually lighting up as you get closer. Oh, is there actually something here? That honestly would be pretty funny if it crashed as I got that. I have no idea if these treasures actually take over or keep, you know, persistent into the next one. I doubt it. I'd assume it's per run. Oh, there it is. I'm sorry, is this a gacha? Kind of is. Sonar module. Sonar zoom. That's basically every single bit of upgrade. I do kind of like how the upgrades are actually... You know, like, it shows you what it's going to actually unlock. And like, this one will unlock that, as well as the next level. I like that. Let's see, so laser upgrade. Alright, so you actually start upgrading, like, the actual cockpit starts changing up visually. That's adding another capacitor or something to the laser. Can't get that yet, I need another 5. Oxygen tank expansion, why not? So I do still actually have the one treasure. So really, I guess it could just be entirely up to luck. You could get very lucky and the two treasures might be able to spawn right next to each other. You know, maybe even as soon as you start. So that is something different. I don't... No, you can. Okay, apparently those count as 10. But there's actually a little bit... You know, a little bit more in the way of progression here rather than just going sheer into, you know, single units. You actually get 10 units here. Kind of looks like the mining laser did actually take out some of the standard blocks there. Or, well, hexagons. You know what? I think that might in fact be it for the upgrades right now. Yeah. Sonar sweep speed, sonar depth. Okay. So I think I'll give it a break here. I think we've seen basically all we can for what this is right now. But I like the idea. I like the little, you know, immersion of it, the... You know, the vibes that it has and whatnot. Like, it's doing some things decently as is right now. You know, again, very, very Klubnica-esque, very, Iron Lung-esque. And that's not a bad thing. I like it. Obviously, though, it needs a wee bit more to it. And also a downloadable version that doesn't crash the second you boot it up? Okay, sorry. No, not the second you boot it up. It wasn't crashing when I was booting it up. That was not what was happening there. What was happening was crashing as soon as I try to start a mission. So yeah, that'll be it for the Sonar Mining Company game. I don't know exactly what they're going to be doing with it. But yeah. Honestly, wouldn't be too bad for maybe like an hour or two. Probably pushing about 2 hours, I would imagine, with this idea, but I like it for the most part here. It just needs more stuff to it. But yeah, that'll be it for this one. The link will be in the description on the VOD, if you want to give it a try yourself. That'll be it. See ya. Have a good one.